And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And lots to talk about. Local weather tied into Hurricane Ian. Let's go. Outside right now, State House, a little bit of a breeze, but overall a beautiful night. Temperatures have cooled off. Daytime highs today, mid to upper 60s, and that's about where we'll be for tomorrow. The difference is we'll do it with a little bit more cloud cover than we had today. Temperatures tonight have dropped back into the 40s, and it's cooled off pretty quickly. We've got a little thin layer of cloud cover that's working across the area. I have forecast lows like in the low to mid 40s. Might not get quite that cool if we keep more cloud cover overnight, but nonetheless, a chilly start to the day tomorrow for this time of year, with temperatures mainly in the 40s and 50s for Cape Cod and the islands, with generally partly to mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow's not bright the entire day. There'll be some clouds mixing with your sunshine, but overall it stays dry. Not a bad Friday. Maybe not as nice as it has been all week, but temperatures in the mid 60s for Rhode Island, and in southeastern Mass, a mix of sun and clouds for you, and your temperatures low to mid 60s. So on the cool side for the end of the month. Let's talk about Ian. Still a Category 1 hurricane, sustained winds up to 85 miles an hour, gusts to 100. It keeps getting stronger as it's moved off land over Florida and now back over the ocean. And it had been downgraded to a tropical storm at one point, but now it's back to a Category 1. And even though it was moving north-northeast at 10 miles per hour in the last update, eventually it will start to turn back to the northwest. Looked like it was going to probably make landfall again sometime tomorrow near Charlestown. I'd say that track has moved a little bit more north now and kind of in the middle of Myrtle Beach and Charlestown. Nonetheless, storm surge, heavy rainfall, and hurricane-force winds take aim at South Carolina as we go into the day tomorrow. Florida's still picking up the pieces, and Ian's not done yet, and eventually bringing some heavy rain, even for areas inland like Raleigh, Durham, North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and eventually becoming a tropical depression sometime this weekend near West Virginia. Winds right now, modest, not like what we had yesterday, but still some gusts up to 35, 40 miles an hour. But expect some hurricane force winds by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon for areas in South Carolina. The center of circulation still offshore, and thankfully this evening, much of the heavy bands of rain have just been hugging the coast. Overall, though, not much rain tonight. That will change tomorrow because Hurricane Ian takes that turn north and west, and the heavy rainfall moves into areas like South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, and West Virginia. Now, for us, we stay dry tomorrow, but some of this rain is going to lift north, and it looks like it'll be part of our forecast for much of the day on Saturday. I have added much more rain for Saturday. Not real heavy stuff. The band of heavy rain looks to stay south, but still some showers throughout the day, Saturday night and into Sunday morning. And we're not done yet. When you zoom out, there's still more rain all around us, right? Now, the biggest question is, will the next wave, which will be Tuesday and Wednesday, come close enough to bring us some steady rainfall? Monday is mainly a dry day, but on Tuesday, you'll start to see some rain to the south. It starts to lift north. Does it get all the way here, or does it veer out to sea? It's $1 million question right now. We'll be keeping an eye on it. Heaviest of rain will be down towards the Carolinas. For now, about a ½ inch to an inch for us. Could go up if we get that second push Tuesday and Wednesday. However it plays out, sunshine returns on Thursday, and it stays cool too. Daytime highs mainly in the 60s for that 7-day forecast. Nick?
Thank you, Jeff.